Good morning, farm. The sun's up high. Hear the birds sing as the tractor goes by. Monkey woke up with a smile so wide, put on his hat, hopped up for a ride. Vroom, vroom, vroom goes the red tractor strong, rolling through the fields as we sing this song. Shay's monkey drives the tractor round and round, helping on the farm hear the happy sound. While we pick the fruit, put it in the cart, working together with a joyful heart. Apple trees waving ripe and bright, oranges glowing in the morning light. Monkey hops down, gives a friendly cheer. Let's pick the fruit, harvest time is here. Shay's monkey drives the tractor slow and neat, rolling past the barn on the dusty street. On to pick the fruit one by one. Farming is work and farming is fun. Cow says moo and the sheep say baa. Farmer waves hello from afar. Monkey loads baskets big and small, sharing smiles and helping all. Climb up, climb down, clap, clap, clap. Shake the tree, tap, tap, tap. Teamwork makes the harvest grow. On the happy farm we all say go. Till's monkey drives the tractor, here we go. Fast and slow, high then low. Yes, and pick the fruit, fill the barn. Fresh farm food from field to arm. Sun goes down, the day is done. Monkey laughs, that was fun. Good night farm, stars shine bright. See